Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will tell you that how to entry bill in Microsoft Excel. So before starting this video, make sure to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tips and tricks like this one. So in this video I will tell you that how you can basically enter a bill or how you can basically make an invoice in Microsoft Excel. So first thing is that you don't need to make an invoice or make a bill from the scratch. Okay, it will basically take a very long time of you. So instead you do this, you will go onto this Google here from here and you will type this here, like let's suppose that if you are making a grocery store bill. Okay, so you will type this in Google here, and then here basically on this first website here where it says invoicesimple.com, you can see here that we have this invoice templates that are free for Microsoft Excel. So you will open up this site here and then you will see here this kind of page. So if you scroll down here, you can see bunch of different invoices, or you can say bills templates here. Okay, so let's suppose that if you wanted to use this template here, you will click on download it from here and it will basically gets downloaded. Okay, so we just have to wait, and once it's downloaded here, we will just basically open it up. So now here you can see that we have opened up this template here in Microsoft Excel, and now basically we have the overall design of our invoice here, or you can say bill here. Basically if you want to add your logo, you can basically add that from here. You can change date, invoice number, and basically you can change all of this address according to, and then basically in here you can basically enter the item number, its description, quantity, price, and all of this. Okay, and if you basically want to remove any row from here, just right click and go to delete entire row and it will gets removed. Okay, and then after this it will basically show you the due bill here, and then your invoice and bill is ready to go. So that's it for this video guys. If you find it useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will meet you in the next video.